Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This family-oriented investment property, located on Howard Drive in Midland Glades, is about 10 minutes drive to the town of Maypen. It consists of 8 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, self-contained flats. Amenities include kitchen built-ins, laundry room, 4 garage spaces, and a yard space at the back of the property. The land area of this house is approximately 8,000 square feet. Call today to make this your own because spaces like these are very rare to find. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34.5 million or US $224.1 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.